Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can speak English confidently and fluently, but it is not enough for you, which I'm going to tell you today. But it is very important for your basics English exercise. So let's start the point number one. What is the point number one is reading. Yes, you should start reading newspaper every day. Start reading newspaper, start reading magazine or the Kindle, but you need to read English. As much as English you will read, it will improve your communication skills because you are not just reading, you are learning while reading. How? Whenever you will get the new advanced word, how will you get the advanced word? So by the help of reading. When you will read newspaper, so you will find most of the advanced word in the editorial page, which you can use in your next English speech or while speaking with someone in English. So English is very important and reading is also most important thing if you really want to improve your communication skills. Second advice I would like to give you, try to listen English. Second thing is very important because listening is very important in your communication skills. Listen English media, listen cricket commentary, listen English movies, listen English songs, whatever you like. But these things, if you will listen English more and more, you will improve more and more and you will enhance your chances to get selected in the corporate jobs, or if you want to go in overseas studies, so you can easily go over there for overseas studies. Another thing, try to speak in English. Try to speak in English with your friend, but do not get ashamed that if you will make a mistake, so you will get insulted. So forget about that. So try to speak in English in front of the mirror. Try to speak English in front of your smartphone. If you do not have the smartphone, not an issue. Try to speak in English in front of the mirror, because this exercise will really going to help you a lot to improve your English communication skills. So the three things is very important which I have told you today, but it is not enough. Yes, reading, listening and speaking. So these three things if you will do every day, you will improve your English speaking practice. But what you need to do is regular practice of English speaking if you really want to improve your communication skills. If you really want to grow in your life, you want to get a job in corporate sector, or you want to go for overseas study in the countries like Canada, Australia, New Zealand, so you need to work on your English. Yes, because English can open a new opportunity for you. You can go and get a job easily. If you can speak in English, you can qualify IELTS and TOEFL examination easily if you are good in communication skills. So it's all up to you. As much as you will spend time with your learning, as much as you will grow and you will enjoy your life, you will improve your future. Yes, because you will be able to choose your own career path. English is very important nowadays because it has become a global language, but it is also a most easiest language. If you can learn the English, if you can enjoy learning English, so you can speak in English. But what is need to do? When I start first speaking in English, it was really difficult for me. I would like to tell you my story. So I was really like feel that how will I able to speak in English? So I just do one thing. I just improve my English communication skills by the help of learning, by the help of reading, learning vocabulary. So these things really improves my communication skills. So I hope you will like the video of today. That's all for today. Thank you so much.